Welcome to MedGalaxy, where we delve into the intricate world of preparing crude drugs. In this educational lecture, we will explore the meticulous process behind creating these essential remedies. Understanding the origins and properties of raw materials is fundamental in the preparation of crude drugs. Join us on this enlightening journey of discovery. The extraction methods employed play a crucial role in obtaining the active components of crude drugs. Let's uncover the techniques that unlock their healing potential. From maceration to percolation, each step in the preparation process requires precision and expertise. Stay tuned as we reveal the secrets of these traditional practices. The art of drying and pulverizing raw materials is a cornerstone in the creation of potent crude drugs. Witness the transformation from plant to powerful remedy. Quality control measures are paramount to ensure the efficacy and safety of crude drugs. Learn how meticulous testing guarantees their therapeutic value. Join us as we uncover the diverse applications of crude drugs in traditional and modern medicine. Explore the rich history and evolving uses of these natural remedies. The significance of sustainable sourcing and ethical practices cannot be overstated in the preparation of crude drugs. Discover the importance of responsible harvesting. In our quest for knowledge, we must acknowledge the cultural heritage and indigenous wisdom embedded in the preparation of crude drugs. Respect the traditions that shape our understanding. As we conclude this enlightening lecture on preparing crude drugs, remember that the journey from plant to remedy is a testament to the harmony between nature and science. Thank you for joining us on this educational exploration of the intricate process of preparing crude drugs. Stay curious, stay informed, and embrace the wisdom of herbal medicine.